Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gagan Thakur. So as I discussed in the last video, let's get started with intents. Okay. So when you create a new agent, you will always see these two intents. Okay. Default welcome intent and default fallback intent. So let me show you in action what is the significance of this. So if you go to the try it now, and if I say hi, let's see what happens. When I say hi, it gives me a message, greetings, how can I assist you? So if you see, even though I did not do anything, it still recognized my hi and it responded. And you will see that the intent was default welcome intent. So it automatically realized that, this is what I want, I'm trying to do. I'm trying, and it started doing, prompting me with the welcome. Okay. Now, if I say something like hello, you'll see good day, what can I do for you today? Okay, so from where these responses are coming, see the intent is again this. Okay, so from where these responses are coming and all the stuff that we need to see, and if you want to see the what's happening in the background, then you can see that this is the query I hit. Okay, and the action was input dot welcome, and then this is the fulfillment text I received back from the bot. Okay, and this is the intent name and all everything. Okay, so you can see a lot of things from here. If you want to see the JSON response, you can do that. Now the same way, there is another fallback intent. So if I say something which it doesn't recognize, then it will go to this intent, fallback intent. Okay, so let's say I'll say uh, Pune, for example. Okay, I'm in Pune, so I'll say Pune. So when I say Pune, it will say what was that? And if you see, the intent was default fallback intent, so it actually went to this intent. So now you understand that for anything I say, it will try to map it to an intent. Okay, now if I've already trained the if I've already trained this thing, okay, it uses machine learning. So if I have already given enough input to it, it will actually recognize the intent. If not, it will always go to fallback intent. Okay, now because this is a pizza bot, okay, we want to keep our discussion to pizza only. Okay, so if I say, let's say hi, if a user says hi, what happens there? It says good day, what can I do for you today? Now when it says what can I do for you today, I can ask it ton of questions, right? I can ask it anything. Why the color of sky is blue? Okay, and it will say that I'm sorry, I did not get that, because the bot is not supposed to handle that. So as a good practice, you should always tell the bot that what kind of queries we are going to support with. Okay, so how can we do that? So let's go inside this default welcome intent, and let me show you how exactly this thing works. Okay, so if you see, this is a default welcome intent. We just clicked on inside that, and there are some training phrases. So we need to train this machine learning model. Okay, so if you see that it is already there, like for every agent you create, you will see this already there. Okay, so you'll see that just going to say hi, hey, hello, hi, howdy, hey there, hi there, hey, hello. Okay, so if you say something similar to this, it will recognize. Even if you say something which is not here, it will still recognize that, because we are using machine learning. The tool uses machine learning, so it actually trains itself based on the samples you have given. The ideal situation is you should at least give 10 samples for the machine learning model to behave properly. Okay, now, so whenever somebody says hi or hello, okay, do we have a hello here? Yeah, hello is there, hey, yeah, is there. Okay, so in that situation, there is something called response. Okay, so we can return them these response: hi, how are you doing? Hello, how can I help you with? Good day, what can I do for you today? I want to add something here because it's a pizza bot, right? So I can say hi, my name is pizza bot, I can help you with, sorry, I can help you with your pizza order. Okay, so we have actually told. Now what I'm trying to do here is, and then I'll say enter. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is, I'm trying to tell the user when he says hi that I am a pizza bot and I can only help you with the pizza thing. You don't ask me like why the color of the sky is blue. Okay, and now what I'll do is, I don't want this response to be back, so I will simply go and remove these responses. I think I messed it up. Okay, I think okay, all the responses are deleted anyways, so I will go to text response again and I will say hi, my name is pizza bot, I am here to help you with your pizza order. Okay, kind of. Okay, now I'll say enter. Now you'll see that I have only one response. I deleted all the response. So, and once you do that, you need to save it. Okay, and once you save it, it will automatically train the model, okay, in the background. And now if I say hi, let's see what happens. Okay, so if I say hi, so it says hi, my name is pizzabot, I'm here to help you with your pizza order. Okay, and the intent is still the same. I just changed the way it responds to the user. So every time when I say hi, it will respond with the same thing because I have removed all the other responses. Okay, now this is it, this is how it works. Now we need to create one more intent, okay, where user can actually say so like that I want to order pizza. So what can a user say if he wants to order pizza? So let's do that. So how can you do that is simply you need to click on plus, okay, and here you can say, so our main intent is going to be order pizza. Okay, order pizza intent is going to be our main intent, order pizza. Okay, this is my main intent. And then in the training phrases, as I told you, this is machine learning. You need to give some sample examples to the machine to understand exactly what user can say. So let's say, like, if you want to order pizza, what you can say, you can say order pizza. This is one sentence you can use. You can say I want to order a pizza. Okay, can I get a pizza, please? Can you take my order for pizza? Pizza, please. I want pizza. So I'm just giving you some examples over here, okay, where we can see. And then if user says any of these, okay, if you say like 1 2 3 4 5 6, only 6 phrases we have used, but ideally you should be using 10 or so, so that you can train the model better. And now in response, if user says something like that, in response I will say add response, and I will say uh, all right, okay, uh, all right, I can help you with your pizza order. Okay, so this is it. And then again we need to save it so we can train the model. Okay, so I'll just save it. It's saved, it's done. Okay, and now I will again say, let's say pizza order. Let's say what happens when I say pizza order. It says all right, I can help you with the pizza order, and it recognizes the intended order pizza, right? So this is how intent works. We are definitely going to add more intent and entities going forward, but for this video I believe if this is good. So thank you so much and stay tuned for the next video.